How to turn off YouTube share controls notifications. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can turn off YouTube share control notifications. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So if your Android smart TV is connected to your mobile, you will get a notification or YouTube share notification when YouTube is playing in your smart TV. So in order to turn off that notification, we have to go through the Google Play services in order to stop or remove the notifications. So for that, open up the settings in your device. Here, scroll down a bit and tap on apps. Tap on see all apps. Tap on the search icon from the top right corner and search for Google Play services. Tap on it. Once you're here, scroll down a bit and tap on notifications. So on the notification, keep on scrolling. There you have to search for an option or notification that is cast. So if you have toggled it on, you have to toggle it off. And once you have toggled it off, you will not get any notifications in your mobile device, or you will not receive any YouTube share control notifications in your mobile device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.